What is going on, guys? Auxito here.
What?
Back with another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today's going to be more of a how-to. Today I'm going to be changing the headlight bulbs on my C6 Corvette, because I feel like they look a little dim. Sometimes I don't even know if they're on. I'm just kidding. Okay. But today I got my very first sponsorship, Auxito lights. I don't even know if it's my first, is it?
It's one of two.
One of two.
You can't announce the other one yet.
Can't announce the other one yet. But I got these lights sent out to me. Gonna be testing them out, see what's up. Gonna start the process now. I'm gonna go with the old fashion way. Gonna take off the wheel instead of taking off the bumper. Gonna take off the wheel and get access to the bolts. And I'll show you guys the steps. Alright, I'm gonna pull my mic down. No, I'm just kidding. But when you get your box, you guys are gonna get, let's see, a pair of guantes, gloves, manual, instructions, a description of what you got of your product, and your handy dandy bulbs. Damn. They're low-key pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Pretty big.
What did he say?
Alright, let's see. Let's throw these on.
Okay, go.
I'm a slave.
Oh, wait. Oh. You could just edit that out, babe.
I know.
You have to talk, don't you?
Yeah. Alright, I loosened up all the bolts on my shit. Gonna be taking the wheel off, but not yet. Still gotta jack this shit up. If you guys have cats, you know my pain. Fat cat prints all over the carbon fiber.
I thought you were calling our cat fat. I was about to throw hands.
Literally cat prints all over the carbon fiber. We're gonna jack this thing up slowly. Alright, we're gonna take the wheel off and then we're gonna throw this one on.
Girl. I've had these for like what? 2 months? Oh, the actual tire itself? I don't know.
Like a few months or like is it more than 2 months? Like a year? No?
I don't remember when you got these.
I got these when I got the C7 one, you know?
Oh. Yeah, I don't remember the time though.
Alright, we got the wheel off. We're gonna start the next few process. Let's see. Let me see the light. Where's my light? I broke it, but I just gotta take this up here off. Wow. I gotta remove this up here. It's like a rubber plate, and that'll give you access to your turning signal, your main headlight. Just go into the car. All right, before we start the whole process, continue the whole process, my girl forgot to. Well, she didn't forget. She just, her face. She just told me it's better to show it before and after. Damn, I didn't even notice my shows. Oh no, never mind, it's not cracked. But we're gonna show before of the, that's it. Look back. No, there you go. It's like a before. Looks like greenish. I don't know. All right, we're good. That's gonna be a before. And we'll show it after once I install the new ones. Alright, we got the rubber plating off. I kind of messed up because I left some of these in there. But we made it to the housing of this bulb. Now we just need to remove it and install the new one. I'll update you guys when I get this one off. Alright, got this thing out. It's held in there by 2 T10 screws. Just take those out. Use a magnetic screwdriver because I almost lost a freaking screw in there. It was kind of hard to get out, but still did it. Alright, you guys, update. Got the bulb off. This is literally just plug and play with this. Then the next thing you want to do is take off this plate and put it on your new light. I'll update you guys when I do that. Alright, we got the plating off. Kind of easy. I'm gonna throw it on the new one. This is old. Why is this thing so long?
What?
Oh my god, I could already hear people. It's the new one. LED. Let's throw it on. I felt like I should have just put my phone right here and did like one continuous clip because I feel like I keep cutting it. But we got the new one in, plugged in. I'm gonna put this back on, and then I still have to take these off because I kind of messed up. I only have 2 down there. But we're gonna take these off, put this in, and then close this, and then I'm not sure, can I turn this one on?
I'm pretty sure.
It's not bad. If it's not bad, I'm gonna open the garage and then show you guys like a comparison from both sides. And yeah. Alright, I just dropped the car. Put the bolt on tight to spec. We're gonna do this side right now, but before I do that, we're gonna move the car this way so we can get the jack on this side. So let's see the comparison so far. Oh, damn, you can tell a big difference. Look at that. That one looks like green, the old one. Oh my god, that looks so badass. It looks so bright. Dang. Alright, let's move it. Alright, we got this side jacked up now. We got the bolts loose. The lug nuts loose. Don't punk me for that one. This side should be a piece of cake since I already know what I'm gonna do. Pretty much gonna repeat the steps from the other side. I'm already liking them and I haven't even installed the other one. If you guys are ever doing this alone, please use jack stands. I'm literally just using a jack. I should have the jack stands here. I don't know why I don't have them, but I'm too lazy to get them. So we're just gonna do the same thing. Open this, take the cover off, pull the bulb off, and swap it. Alright, we got the second one out. The easiest way I found out on doing this is literally, this is rubber, stretchable. So I just like peeled it off, I guess, over all of them, so I don't have to take them off. But got this one off. Gonna try to take it off now. It's literally just plug and play. Literally, same steps. Got my little handy dandy light. Too old. Got the plate off. Got the new one. I really love their packaging. Okay, it's the old one. I mean new. What am I saying? Gonna put it in there, plug it in, snap it on, and I'll show you guys the car when I have both of them on. I'm also not sure what the gloves were for. I'm assuming it's either so you don't burn yourself, because the lights are pretty warm, or so you don't get dirty. But I kind of feel bad messing up white gloves. Alright, closed everything up, put the cover that goes over the actual bulb, this rubber plastic. This is lucky an easy ass process. Usually I struggle. Even for my first oil change, I took like what?
The whole day.
I took like 3-4 hours just for an oil change. But now I knock it off. This was looking pretty easy. I looked at one video and knew how to do it. Gonna show you guys how the car looks now with the new bulbs. Well, these are the old ones. I wonder if these are OEM.
I'm sure they are.
If they are, they They suck.
Okay, they get the job done. Relax.
I don't like them. They look like greenish, blue. I don't know how to explain it. All right, you guys, here is the after. Oh, dang, my car looks brand new. I really like how they came out. Sheesh. I gotta fix the side markers though. Only this one works. But we're about to go get grocery in the grocery getter. Damn. I think next I need to do my reverse lights on the bottom. But yeah, this is pretty much how the lights came out. Pretty simple and easy task. Shout out Auxito lights. All right, you guys, this is the car with the lights on. Somewhere a little bit darker. Look at that. My old lights would not be doing that. I'll tell you that right now. They look so clean. Damn. Huge shout out to Auxito, bro. If you guys want to pick some up, some headlights, fog lights, side markers, whatever else they sell, they have a long list. I'll show you guys their website. If you guys do decide to pick something up, don't forget to use code AUXIR at your checkout to get an extra 15% off your order. Again, AUXIR to get 15% off your order. Look at that. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little how-to. I'm about to start doing how-to tutorials. No, I'm just kidding. I'm pretty bad at them. Hopefully I did a really good job at explaining how to install these new headlight bulbs. Hopefully you guys found it easy. If anyone comes across my channel learning how to do it, if I could do it, you could do it. Literally, I'm the worst at installing new parts. I took 3-4 hours doing my first oil change. It took like 2-3 days doing my headers. But yeah, if you guys do decide to pick something up from Auxito shop, don't forget to use code AUXIR at the checkout. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to use. And yeah, shout out Auxito again. Thank you for noticing me. I honestly didn't expect to get noticed. Second sponsor. First is still in the making. You guys will like this one for sure. But yeah, it's pretty much gonna be it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.